So, I don't think my room's ever looked this bad, ever. Hey my beauties! Welcome back to The Beam. Today guys, I am doing a deep cleaning video. And this is probably gonna take me 3 days to film because let's face it, I'm lazy. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Becca and welcome to The Beam. I hope you guys like The Beam. It is a good vibe here. It's a very nice, humble vibe here. It's currently night and it's very dark outside. It just looks bright because your girl turned her box light on. Lifesaver of 2020. Anyway, yeah, I'm looking around. I'm just seeing a whole mess and my camera's on like 4%. So, probably just gonna film this tomorrow. But here's an intro. Hi, I love you. I'll probably look better tomorrow because right now I've not done anything with my hair makeup and I've been wearing the same pajamas for 2 days. And then, like, my closet looks like it threw up, and then I had this whole thing of dirty laundry, and my desk is a mess, and I don't know what to do in my bed. Yeah, it's a hot mess. Okay, my beauties. Okay, I set this box light up so you guys can hopefully see this a little better. But I dusted this, if you couldn't tell, I dusted this. This looks 1,000 times better. I dusted my pictures. I put all the scrunchies back in my box. They were everywhere on here. Then I picked my purses up and then I hung my mask up. Yeah, this just looks so much better. I wiped the sides of this off. I don't know if you guys can see it very well over there, but I might move it closer. But yeah, this just looks so much better. I'm so pleased. I wiped the handles off. I wiped the surface off right here. So yeah. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do my monster desk. It might not look that bad, but like under it's terrible, and I have blankets everywhere, and yeah. Hey guys, it's a few days later. I just blow dried my hair. Don't mind the poo. But now we're gonna go do my laundry. And yeah, I have a bunch of it to do. So we're going to do all my laundry and I'm gonna fold it and wash it, dry it, fold it, that order exact. So yeah, let's do it.